I think it's November 19th. Alright, there's the bike. And where's Tony? No, what's he up to? Gone to some shop. What are you doing, Tony? Come on, Tony, we gotta go. Don't need two bikes or anything taking pictures. Tony, let's go. Tony, let's go. Anyway, where are we? Shoes on sale. Karem. We're in sort of some plaza in Shan. Remember, a couple years ago, I think I took a video here and there's nothing. So there's stuff here now, some stores and whatnot. And well, he's all wound up, but not very neat for the people. This is Tony's bike, but I want him to get out of here, so let's see what I can do. Anyway, November 19th, 2011, there he comes. Hey, Tony, what are you doing? Oh, no, hide. I'm gonna have to hide, I see, to get him to come out of there.